Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Naturally Raw Hair and Beauty. This is just a quick video showing my large passion twists. These are my large passion twists. This is my client Jessica. She came in for large passion twists today, and this is how the ending result came out. They are beautiful. I love how they look. For passion twist inquiry, please leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos than how I did my passion twist from the beginning, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for weekly updates. And until next time, be blessed, guys. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, peace out.